Are you tired of back pain and poor posture from sitting all day? A standing desk could transform your workspace and boost your productivity. Today, we're counting down the top 5 standing desks that combine quality, functionality, and great value. Let's dive in.
Number 5.
Kicking off our list at number 5 is this incredibly versatile mobile standing desk that brings flexibility to any workspace. This modern portable rolling laptop desk features height adjustment that adapts to your needs, whether you're working from your sofa, bed, or office chair. The lockable wheels allow you to easily move your workstation wherever you need it, then lock it securely for stable working. The space-saving design makes it perfect for small apartments or dorm rooms. The sturdy construction keeps your laptop safe, while the adjustable height lets you find your perfect ergonomic position. Whether you're answering emails from the couch or need a standing desk solution in your bedroom, this mobile workstation delivers convenience and functionality. For those interested in purchasing this product, you can find the link in the description and comments below.
Number 4.
Coming in at number 4 is this impressive 63-inch electric standing desk that combines premium features with practical design. The powder-coated wood top provides a sophisticated appearance while offering excellent durability for daily use. What sets this desk apart is its whisper-quiet sit-stand mechanism, allowing you to transition between sitting and standing without disturbing others. The electric height adjustment is smooth and reliable. The compact design makes it suitable for home offices where space is premium, yet still provides ample workspace for your computer and monitors. The voltage-compatible plug ensures easy setup. This desk strikes an excellent balance between functionality and space efficiency, making it ideal for modern professionals who want standing desk benefits without sacrificing floor space. If you're interested in this fantastic option, check out the link in the description and comments section.
Number 3.
Sliding into the third spot is this ergonomic standing desk that redefines workplace mobility and comfort. With adjustable height from 40 to 80 centimeters, this desk accommodates users of virtually any height, ensuring proper ergonomic positioning. The universal wheels provide exceptional maneuverability, making it effortless to reposition your workspace throughout the day. The stability and comfort this desk provides is impressive, even with the mobile design. The easy-to-assemble construction means you'll be working in no time without complicated setup. This study table is perfectly suitable for home offices, couch work sessions, or as a flexible sofa-side workstation. The combination of ergonomic design and practical mobility creates a solution that adapts to your lifestyle. Whether you're working on important projects or casual browsing, this desk delivers consistent performance. To grab this excellent standing desk, find the purchase link in the description and comments.
Number 2.
Taking the runner-up position is this exceptional adjustable height standing desk available in 4 sizes: 40, 48, 55, and 63 inches, perfect for any office. This electric sit-stand desk is engineered for professionals who demand performance and versatility. The powerful electric lift provides smooth, reliable transitions throughout your workday, helping you alternate between sitting and standing to maximize productivity. This desk isn't just for traditional offices, it's at home in cafes, catering environments, event spaces, and gaming setups. The sleek design complements any interior, while the robust construction handles heavy-duty use. The rising mechanism ensures years of reliable service. What makes this desk stand out is its adaptability across different professional settings while maintaining attractive aesthetics. Find the link to purchase this amazing desk in the description and comments below.
Number 1.
And now, claiming our number 1 spot is this outstanding electric standing desk that represents the pinnacle of adjustable workstation technology. Available in 4 sizes, 40, 48, 55, and 63 inches, this desk offers the perfect fit for any workspace from compact home offices to corporate environments. The height-adjustable computer task table features a motorized system, delivering precise adjustments at the touch of a button. The lift mechanism uses premium components, ensuring smooth, quiet operation. This rising desk excels in both office and home environments with professional-grade performance. The robust construction supports substantial weight while maximizing workspace. What sets this desk apart is the combination of reliability, ease of use, and versatile sizing that make it the ultimate solution for your work environment. Ready to transform your workspace? You can find the purchase link in the description and comments section.
Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Please like our videos, share them on social media, and leave your comments below. See you in the next video.